More at the bottom. You just can't see it very well because it's overgrown. Let's go down this way.
That's a bath.
Yeah, well, no, it only says a bath, but it would have had water in it, wouldn't it? Drinking, maybe, or something? I don't know. Oh yeah, some more ducks. Yeah, ducks.
I want to swim fast. Maybe walking slow.
Oh, gardens. What is that in the water? I wonder what that is. Oh, they just jumped in.
They just like flew.
Flew and then jumped in.
I think we've got food.
Yeah, they probably think we're going to feed them.
We haven't got all the clear.
Oh, they won't hurt you.
They will.
No, they won't. They'll probably move before you do. Hello guys. You know you're on YouTube. I don't think they're bothered.
No. Are they looking for food in the grass? Is that what they're doing?
Yeah, probably.
We haven't got any food.
It looks like a gate post type of thing, but can't be, yeah. Stone marker of some sort, maybe. More ducks.
They look there, don't they? Them black ones with all the white feet.
Yeah, different types, probably, aren't they? That's up there. Oh, look. Look. Yeah.
What, are we going down this way or we want... This way?
Go down, yeah.
This is a dead end.
Yeah, go to the end and let's have a look back.
Is it a maze? Can you in
It's amazing.
I thought that myself before, I ain't going to say it.
Because it's corny.
Yeah, I know, I'm very funny, aren't I?
Mm.
No chairs over there, they've got like some...
Yeah, this is one here, look.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, they've got writing on it as well, look.
Thomas Tusser. September 15th.
It says, fruit gathered to... Is that... Timely will taste of the wood. Will shrink and be bitter and seldom prove good.
Really?
Still fighting.
July 1557 with tossing and raking and setting on cart. The grain that was green is now hay for the ox. Thomas Tusser again.
So you must have to go right around to get into that side of it, because there's another dead end.
Yeah, it's just the same as this side. It'd probably say the
Yeah.
same one.
Can I go left then when I go into the tunnel?
I don't mind.
That's left.
What's this?
Yeah.
This take
The like picnic area. So you can come out and have like food to eat. Yeah. Well, we don't want to finish walking round or...
Yeah, you can do if you want, because that just takes us back, that, doesn't it, to the house.
Uh-oh, Dougie.
Duckies! Oh, what's the matter with you? Doing little ducks?
Crazy, aren't we? And we're like,
Loads more of them there, look.
yeah, we've got photos. That's what actually is amazing bit.
How's he gone? There's a fish.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see him, orange.
Fishing edition.
Like big goldfish, aren't they? I don't know what they're called. Anybody knows? Leave a comment. But to me they look like big goldfish.
If you know what they are.
Goldfish.
No, I said they look like big goldfish.
What, like adult ones? Could be adult ones.
Look at that piece of building there, man. Just look at that.
Have a look at the front of the building.
Yeah. And there's like a thingy there. What would that be? It's got a window behind it, but it's just sort of a hole. Nest or some sort.
Look at that big thingy, what's it called?
I don't know, but there's one of those little red things.
That there.
Oh, like a roller thing for rolling on your lawn. Look, there's one of those little red things again. What are they
They
about?
mean something, don't they?
Oh, yeah, because they're hanging on all the doors, aren't they? Must be a ward or
You
something.
should not go in.
Look at that.
But it's just a bit of thingy in it, that. Yeah. That's what it looks like. Curtain sort of stuff. Wow, have you seen that? Look at that wall. That is just unreal.
Looking at this day, you wouldn't think it's so big.
No, you wouldn't, would you? You'd have thought if that's how wonky
like, yeah.
it is, they'd collapsed.
Yeah, you wouldn't think that it would be like still standing.
Yeah,
Four chimneys.
yeah.
Four chimneys? How many chimneys would maximum
they've got half of like this doing them loads.
Look at that bit there.
I know. It's just so crooked, it's unreal, isn't it? Oh, that looks nice. What's that? Which bit?
This is what you were on about when we first walked in, that bit there.
Oh yeah, that's like well crooked.
Well, it's all crooked, babe, like
Yeah,
you said.
the whole building's crooked, isn't it? Let's have a look, let's go back. Let's get a bit more in the shot. That's just nuts. It's like deceiving. It makes you think your phone is at a funny angle. Or,
Yeah, yeah.
do you know what I mean? But it's not. It's just so weird. Starts making you judge everything else as crooked.
Yeah, I mean, look at that lady that's standing
Look
in
at that
there in that
chimney.
window. She's standing straight,
Look.
but you can tell.
Look at that chimney breast. Oh my god. That is so
I
bent,
think it's hard to spit.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. Unreal. Gotta go back around now.
Yeah. You know what it is? March 1557, slave bodies in March in April, and made the latter in sand, the sooner in sand.
Look at how crooked. It's just,
We just keep saying
yeah,
it.
it's yeah, just unreal, isn't it? It's like, hello, it's like.
I just can't believe it.
How tall are those?
I hope that you can get to see it and how bad it really is.
What's that noise?
Oh, around the front.
Yeah.
Because we've got a gimbal, and a gimbal is worked by a gyroscope that keeps everything dead level and straight. And it's just so crooked. Hopefully it shows it.
Well, yeah, we'll have to see what that red symbol means. That does mean something.
Yeah, the little,
On every door.
looks like a curtain tie hanging from the door. Hey, look, there's a door up there.
Oh, yeah. Is that a door?
And right out there. Oh.
How did
Oh, it looks like there would have been two. That one next to it as well, I bet, was
Yeah,
one.
yeah, that was, yeah.
Yeah.
the fire
I
exit?
think that's what the lady was on about when she was supposed to go. That was the wrong room, wasn't it?
Get the brush.
Thank you very much indeed.
It started
Thank
raining
you.
now.
Yeah.
Because if it started raining when we were in there, we would have to go home early.
Yeah.
That's so cool of a place, isn't it?
Sorry?
So cool of a place.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. What are these
Look at
steps
him out
for?
there. I just can't believe it.
Look, I feel like it's going to
When you
tip
come out, it
one
makes you walk a
day.
bit funny, doesn't it? You've been walking on
Yeah.
that flooring.
If you, right, so what I think is it's going to tip soon.
You reckon?
Yeah. Or they could
Probably going to be
rebuild
up for
it.
years to come, that yet.
They could rebuild it. Just the same, but like not the floor's wonky. Like the floor's flat.
Yeah.
And maybe someone's gonna live there. Wouldn't that be cool though? If someone actually lived there.
The
Well,
people
some-
that actually
yeah.
work there actually do live there.
You know?
Yeah, there's some of them are staying there in that like a house bit with the sofa, the red sofa you sat on. When you said it wasn't, it was really
So
comfy.
a child is living there too.
Don't know.
Well, we don't know.
Don't know. If not, they're sleeping on a very small bed.
Have we got to walk back through that shop, have we?
Yeah. Go on then. Yeah, it's a great place. I say to anybody, come and have a look at it. It's brilliant.
Yeah.
You won't believe just how crooked of a building it is.
On camera, it doesn't really
We get there, so go and have a look.
Yeah. Cool.
Have you got it all?
Pull.
Oh, I'm waiting for it to open.
I sit on the way in. I'll see if you can tell me about it. Oh, it's so warm.
There we
So
go.
that's the end of the tour.
Yay!
Yeah.
That was brilliant, wasn't it?
Brilliant.
Yeah, really good.
Thumbs up, everybody. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video.